another update in that same case. Remember, this is the case that took place on the night of New Year's Eve, in which a woman's body was dragged underneath a chassis off a car for more than 10 kilometers. Now I believe that, as we've already told you, the men in that car were going to come up for an extension in their remand today, because their remand actually ends today. And I believe we're now learning that the police may inform the court that they want to conduct a lie detector test on the 5 men. That'll help the police know the sequence of events, because remember, the 5 men in the car were drunk. They've claimed that they had no idea that for 10 to 12 kilometers there was actually a body attached to the bottom of their car. They've claimed that the music was too loud, though several questions have been raised on their version of events. Let's go over to my colleague Anvit right now. Anvit, by lie detector, do we mean a polygraph test? And if so, as we know in the past, the polygraph test evidence will not be admissible in court, right? Could you bring us more clarity here?
Yeah, certainly. See, they'll not be admissible directly in the court, but like we saw in Shraddha's case, the polygraph test was conducted, and then using the results of polygraph test, the police tries to correct the scientific evidence. Now, in this very case, because there are some gaps and police had not been able to, it's been 4th day and police has not been able to establish the sequence of event time by time. That is why lie detector test is being relied upon, so that these men can divulge some clues which can further be used to collect evidences in this case. Also, it is a possibility that police might, when they produce at a Rohini court and their extension of their remand is sought, police might, when the court asks, why do you need the extension of remand, police might say this, that yes, we need to conduct lie detector tests so that certain gaps in the cases are filled. Also, there are 3 main points on why they want to conduct this test. First is to establish sequence of events. Secondly, they want to know if these men had anything in the past to do with Anjali or Nidhi. And thirdly, they want to establish that, the very fact that whether these men had any deliberate intention of running over Nidhi, Anjali or Nidhi. So this is the reason why police might go for lie detector test and then getting clues from that test, because the results will not be directly admissible in the court of law. They can use these results to get to scientific evidences which can be corroborated with the statements of the 5 accused and the sole witness in the case, which is Nidhi.
Okay, all right, Anvit, thank you for bringing us this breaking. As we've told you, we're going to continue to bring you updates on this case. This is our